I got some birdseed, baby. What are they eating? You know what I was getting? Like, I had just seen something that was so, like, crazy about these people that live in an RV or whatever, and she had infestation of cockroaches, and she was complete, like, her house was spotless clean. But it was because of the glue. VP. Very, very pretty. But yeah. It's so crazy because, yeah. I would hate that. Like, it was really bad. And that's why I just had to leave. Yeah, look. My house to go to my mom's house. Look at the feather. I was just talking to my niece about that. She's like, don't pick that up. I'm like, why? She's like, you'll get the avian flu. 7931. 79 keeps coming out. My birthday, that might come out. My 79 keeps coming out a lot in the numbers I've noticed. My birthday. So somebody's thinking about my birthday. Chemtrails. Mattress. They was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Huh. Okay, this is where I was walking the other day when I was like, negative thoughts because of stupid boys. About the babies. Stupid boys. I mean, even though they're grown men, but they'll always be stupid boys. Just like I'll always be a little girl, but not a stupid girl. Just a little girl. Sweet. 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 Oh, look at that silver car. I wanted one of those a long time ago when I wanted a car. Yeah. When I was fabulous. Oh, I'm still fabulous. Oh. I think I'm more fabulous now. Fresh step. Time for a fresh start. Time to take a step towards a fresh start. Ew, gross. What is it? Oh my God, I just stepped on something that wasn't a fresh step. Great. Son of a bitch. Gosh. Come on, what is that? Gum. Yeah, that was that guy that I give bubble gum usually, like, and then like the $2, like, okay, I just gave you that. I could have said no, but it's just annoying, bro. I stepped in bubble gum now. Fuck. I gave him the $2, so why the hell did I step in the gum? 688.